the fish with googly eyes or like hammer and orange
Oh yeah.
carpet.
Alright,
Mirror.
so you got what you got right here?
Googly eyes.
And you got what?
Papers,
Tissue paper.
tissue paper, and glue.
Alright, so let's get started. So this is gonna be your fish.
Yeah, fish. And it's like it's like a pizza. It's like a pizza again.
It's like a pizza.
It's like a pizza.
So right here is
again.
gonna be your fish's mouth,
It's like a gobble smack.
and this is gonna be your fish's tail.
Yeah.
So we need to glue it on, right?
This glue with this glue.
Yep, put some glue on it.
It's so nasty.
Alright, you gotta get some glue on it.
Glue. Glue.
Good job. That's enough.
There we go. Glue came. Glue in your finger. Glue in the finger. Look at that, guys.
Yeah, I got a little bit of glue on my finger. Alright, you need to put the fish's eye on.
Googly eyes.
Alright, get your googly eye. So go ahead. I'm gonna put them on the table.
Oh!
Pick the googly eye that you want.
This one.
That one?
Yeah.
That one's little. That one's small. Why not use this big one?
Nah. It's
Why
too
not?
big.
I don't think so. The fish is big, so you need the big eyes, right?
No.
I'm gonna use this big one.
No, it's too big.
Alright, tell you what. Let's play rock, paper, scissors. And if I win, we use this one. And if you win, we use yours, okay?
You're gonna get
Alright, let's go. Let's play rock, paper, scissors for it.
rock.
Paper, scissors, shoot. Alright, so you got rock. So rock beats scissors, right?
Yeah.
Alright, go ahead. So we're gonna use the one that you want to use. Alright, good job. That's his eyes.
And we made some,
You know what else we need on the fish?
yeah, some paper.
Yeah, we need to put some paper on
Yeah, what's
for
good?
his scales. You pick the color you want to use.
Yellow.
Alright. Let's put some glue on it and then you can stick the paper on. You're gonna do it all over.
Did you hear that, guys? That's thunder.
Yep. Alright, go ahead, put your paper on.
We made all of them.
Yeah, good job. But turn it around this way.
It's like a moon.
Yeah. Good job. Put some more on it. Whatever color you want to use, just keep sticking it on. Put the glue on the paper, on the plate. It's better to put the glue on the plate. Yeah. You got enough glue on it. Just stick the tissue paper on.
Tissue paper?
Yeah, that's called tissue paper.
Oh, it's called.
Hey.
Yeah, stick it up.
Wow, that fish looks good. And it ain't finished yet.
Don't look good.
Yes, it does.
No. Don't look good.
What about putting a red one next to that green? I'm gonna put some glue on it right here, and you put one more up on it, okay? What color you want to put there? Great job. Now look at your fish.
No great job. No great job. Do not say great job, okay? No great job.
It doesn't look pretty to you?
No.
It does look pretty to me. So you've got a buddy for hammer. Hold it up so we can see it. So what are you gonna call this pet? This fish?
House and carpet.
What?
Oh, house and carpet.
House and carpet.
Yeah,
So your turtle is hammer and nail, and the fish is
carpet and house.
carpet and house. What's up with you and these names? Okay, so hammer and nail is gonna meet carpet and house.
Yeah, bye guys. Watching this for my face.